Did you know that one of humanity's first groundbreaking inventions was the wheel, dating back over 5,000 years? This simple yet powerful tool revolutionized transportation and laid the foundation for countless future innovations. The discovery of fire, believed to be controlled by early humans over 1 million years ago, allowed people to cook food, ward off predators, and survive colder climates. The invention of writing systems, like cuneiform in Mesopotamia around 3400 BCE, marked a turning point, enabling people to record laws, stories, and history, preserving knowledge for future generations. In ancient Egypt, the construction of monumental structures like the pyramids demonstrated advancements in mathematics, engineering, and workforce organization. The compass, developed by the Chinese around the 2nd century BCE, allowed for safe and precise navigation, which later facilitated the age of exploration. Gunpowder, another Chinese invention, was created in the 9th century and spread to Europe, fundamentally altering warfare and leading to the development of firearms. The invention of paper by the Han Dynasty in China around 105 CE enabled information to be recorded more efficiently, replacing heavy clay tablets and expensive parchment. In the Islamic Golden Age, algebra and advancements in mathematics flourished, laying the groundwork for future scientific discoveries and technological progress. The printing press, invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1440, revolutionized information dissemination, making books more accessible and sparking a surge in literacy and learning. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century brought innovations in machinery, factories, and transportation, transforming economies and urban life globally. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin's experiments with electricity paved the way for modern electrical power, leading to the eventual creation of electric lighting and appliances. The steam engine, perfected by James Watt, powered the Industrial Revolution, making it possible to transport goods and people across long distances efficiently. Vaccines, introduced by Edward Jenner in 1796, opened the door to disease prevention and public health advances that have saved millions of lives. The invention of the telegraph in the 1830s allowed for instant communication over long distances, a game-changing technology that connected the world like never before. In the 20th century, the Wright brothers' successful flight in 1903 marked the beginning of modern aviation, changing travel and opening up the skies to humanity. Did you know the invention of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876 made it possible to talk with people across cities and continents? Communication took a leap forward. Einstein's theory of relativity, formulated in the early 1900s, changed our understanding of physics, influencing everything from space exploration to nuclear technology. The invention of the transistor in 1947 was the start of the digital age, eventually leading to the development of computers and later the internet. The 1969 moon landing was a defining moment, achieved by NASA's Apollo 11 mission. It demonstrated human ingenuity and our ability to reach beyond Earth, encouraging you to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Join us as we explore the history and impact of incredible human achievements. The Internet, born in the 1960s and expanding with the World Wide Web in 1989, forever changed how we communicate, learn, and share information. The personal computer, with early models like the Apple II and IBM PC, made computing accessible to individuals, sparking the rise of the tech industry. Mobile phones revolutionized communication, evolving from bulky devices to sleek smartphones that connect people, access the internet, and much more. The invention of the Global Positioning System, GPS, in the 1970s, initially for military use, transformed navigation, becoming a key technology in daily life. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, mapped human DNA, opening up possibilities in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology for personalized health treatments. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power have become essential innovations to address climate change and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries by automating tasks, analyzing data, and even creating art, prompting questions about its potential and ethical implications. The Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle collider, has helped scientists explore the fundamental particles that make up the universe. The discovery of CRISPR technology has revolutionized gene editing, allowing precise modifications to DNA, which could lead to breakthroughs in medicine and agriculture. Blockchain technology, best known for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, offers a secure and decentralized way to handle data and transactions. The rise of electric vehicles, led by companies like Tesla, aims to reduce carbon emissions and shift away from reliance on gasoline. Smart homes and the Internet of Things (IoT) are connecting devices to streamline daily life, from refrigerators that track groceries to smart thermostats. SpaceX and other private space companies are making space travel more accessible, with ambitions to colonize Mars and explore beyond our planet. The development of virtual and augmented reality is opening new possibilities in gaming, training, and even social interaction, creating immersive experiences. Biotechnology advances in tissue engineering could lead to artificial organs, transforming medicine and offering hope to patients in need of transplants. Fusion energy, still in the experimental stage, promises a nearly limitless, clean energy source if it can be perfected and made economically viable. Quantum computing, a new frontier, has the potential to solve complex problems far beyond the reach of classical computers, impacting fields like cryptography. 3D printing is reshaping manufacturing, allowing rapid prototyping and the creation of customized products from houses to medical implants. Wearable technology, from fitness trackers to augmented reality glasses, is changing how we monitor health, interact with the world, and access information. Drones are transforming industries from delivery to agriculture by providing faster and more efficient ways to accomplish tasks and gather data. Electric aircraft may soon revolutionize aviation, offering a more sustainable alternative to traditional fuel-powered planes. Biodegradable plastics and sustainable packaging aim to reduce environmental harm, addressing the global issue of plastic pollution. The exploration of Mars, including the Perseverance rover's recent mission, continues to search for signs of ancient life and pave the way for future human missions. Advances in medical robotics are enhancing surgery precision, enabling complex operations that minimize recovery time and improve patient outcomes. Humanity's innovations have come a long way, each step forward building on the achievements of previous generations. What's next for us? From early tools to the latest technological breakthroughs, innovation remains at the heart of progress, shaping our world and future. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.